Today I will design Multisim software, how we can design and how we also use and how we pick up a component. Firstly, we open Multisim and we see this window and we see some component in the right and also top. Top is the component and the right is also some other indicators. So you know indicator, multimeter, voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter is our indicator we see in the right portion. And firstly we can pick up a component. So we pick a component, we see this window and then we see name and we see name register and we see, then we click select any type of value and click OK. Then we place another register and then click OK and then place, and then we see another register, so we can click OK and then place, and then we click close, and we can flip the register by 90°, select register and right click and then rotate 90° clockwise. Then we place another component is voltmeter, so we click sources. This is a power source, so we click power source and DC power will be we connect, then OK and then we place DC power. Then we place the ground, then place the ground OK and then we click close. And we can wiring by use mouse right click, left click, we wiring mouse left click. We use wiring by mouse left click and we can change the value, we select and change the component value. After complete the value, we can connect multimeter. We know multimeter also work as voltmeter and also ammeter, so we place multimeter in parallelly. We can measure by using multimeter, we measure voltage if each register across, so we can place multimeter and wiring the multimeter parallelly. We see also another component, but in this simulation we also place multimeter and we can rotate, we can select and also rotate, and we connect wiring by mouse left click and parallel connection. After the complete connection of multimeter, then we run on simulation on top of, and we see green button, we click and run simulation. After run simulation, we double click multimeter and we see the value. It is a DC source, so we see DC value will be shown, and we also see negative value because the connection of positive and negative, we will change, then negative will be positive and positive will be negative. We see also this is the DC value because DC source will be used. After you can DC voltage, we measure DC voltage, so we see DC voltage. If we can emitter value, we can click emitter and we see the emitter DC value, DC current. We can emitter click, we see DC current. It just show R because we know emitter in value show in series, but it's parallel connection, so XM1 and XM2 show R value emitter. So we place emitter in series, then we remove the wrong value and we can see value. We will see emitter connection, then we see value, but in XMM in top of portion we see a value will be same as we see in the output. So we place emitter indicator, we see we can use this type of emitter. We see the any use because the portion will be changed to emitter, but you can place any emitter and after in the node we see plus and minus, the value will be changed, value will be show plus or minus. We see U in measuring bell, but U2 is 0 because U2 connected in the ground, so this emitter will be 0 and U1 will be show the value. You also see emitter value and current value and voltage value, whatever you know, and we also verify that theoretically, and I will show how can you design and we place a meter and voltmeter in multisim. You know PSIM also same as multisim, so we can use anything. Thank you everyone to see my video. Thank you.